Entertaining at home is a breeze in this Clay County home that's located on a private cul-de-sac and features a screened-in lanai, perfect for you to wake up and have your morning coffee, enjoy your favorite book, or maybe unwind in your jacuzzi after a long day. I'm Gigi of Jax with Pickett Home Advisors with this week's Featured Home. Why limit happy to an hour when you have your own bar in your backyard? At the end of a long day, escape and unwind in your own private hot tub on your back porch.